Zoe. Okay, wait, before we do anything. Okay, make sure she stays quiet, and then why. Okay. Barking dog. Zoe, please. Sorry, I have a Pomeranian and she barks like crazy. Okay, so as promised, I am going to show you guys my latest post, how to do it. It was on Meg Legs. So this is like the same headband she was wearing, but they're both from Free People. Again, if you're just joining, I am doing the hairstyle in my latest post that I did on Meg Legs. Okay, so I've been getting so many questions about what elastics I use. So this is the ones I'm using today. I would usually use clear, but because I don't know where they are, sorry you guys, the baby is not sleeping, and so I'm a little distracted. Okay, so hang on. So anyways, I would usually be using clear elastics. My favorites are Sephora and Blacks, B-L-A-X. But I got my cool little Kitsch box in the mail. So they come with 3 different versions of these. And again, I would use clear normally, but because I think my clear ones might have gotten left at the shoot, so I'm gonna use these ones. Okay, so Free People headband. If you're just joining, I'm doing the hairstyle that I just posted, which is obviously, it's pretty similar to like the styles that I usually do. Okay, so we started her hair with a topsy tail. And now in the picture, in the post that I'm doing, that you guys saw, she had hand-tied hair in as well as clip-ins, 24-inch clip-ins. So she had a lot of hair in her head, which it's no secret. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do this turning my head so you guys can see. So I would grab a piece from the back and kind of twist it over and then twist this way, just like this. And then secure it with an elastic. And then we flipped the first one, just like this. So, and then I'm gonna stretch it out. And then the next one, we didn't do this technique. I'm gonna pin this a little bit. We did the pull through technique a little bit versus the topsy tail. Okay, so this is how it was started. We started it a little bit lower on her, but the same idea. Okay, so that's how it started, just a topsy tail. Now I'm gonna go and twist more hair over, just like this. And then twist a little bit this way. Actually, we'll do one more. I think we did 2 topsy tails, so let's do 2. Just like this. Again, you guys, if you're just joining, I'm doing the hairstyle in my latest post that we did at the Bombshell Extension shoot on Meg Legs. Okay, so 2 topsy tails, just like this, stretched out. And then this is the whole thing, ready? So we alternated, and now I'm gonna pull hair from behind, just like this. And then secure that with an elastic. You guys, I'll get to questions if there's any once I get a little bit through this, just so we can make our way down. And then I just stretch this out just like this. So topsy tails and kind of like a pull through situation was pretty much the entire braid. But it's all about how you stretch it out. So obviously this doesn't look like that much because then as we started to finish the hairstyle, I went in and really stretched it out. So let's do another topsy tail now. With the topsy tails in this braid, I twisted them just like this. So when you're doing these, make sure you're twisting. And I'm just grabbing hair from behind and pulling it forward. Again, I'm not using clear elastics. I probably, sometimes that happens, which I'm not a fan when that happens. But I'm testing out new elastics today, so I'll let you know what I think. Because I feel like that's the number one question I get is what type of elastics do I use? So these are the Kitsch ones that come in the Kitsch Pro box. Okay, so topsy tail, now we'll do where we just pull it around, kind of like a pull through situation. And we'll do that right underneath. If anybody is just joining, again, I'm doing my latest post hairstyle that I did on Meg at the Bombshell extension shoot. Okay, so as I continue to work my way down, I'm gonna go back up and kind of just fluff this up so it looks really bubbly, kind of. Just to kind of fill in the gapping everywhere, just like that. So I'm just gonna slowly work my way down doing that. Okay. Continuing on, I think I just did a pull through, so now we'll do another topsy tail twisting. The headband is from Free People. Free People, if you see accessories in a lot of my hairstyles, that's typically my favorite place to get accessories from. Otherwise, Urban, ASOS, Forever 21. Those are usually my go-tos. Okay, so that one was a topsy tail. Now we'll go back to a pull through. And you guys, it is interesting. Like, I obviously don't have as much hair as Meg did in the shoot, but I still can make this almost just as fluffy. I say fluffy, I don't know the right word for it, but you know what I mean, full. Okay, so stretching that out. And girls with like medium length hair, so I've been getting a lot of messages about that. I will say that a lot of these that I do, I use elastics for a reason, and I kind of create faux braids because it's a lot easier for my girls who don't have super long hair or extensions to do something like that versus like a braid and stretch it out really big. So that's why I do a lot of these hairstyles using elastics, just so that, you know, all different hair lengths can try it out. Obviously, if you have shorter hair, you just probably wouldn't stretch it out as big. Okay, now we will go back to topsy tail. So here it is so far. Okay. Wait. What's going on? Sorry guys, my screen is blank. Okay, it's so weird. You guys, I think I need to end this and come back. Okay, I'm ending this really quick. I'll be back on because this is weird. It like froze my phone.